Hey guys, welcome back to Scott Barnes TV. I'm Scott Barnes and we're still doing Halloween. Today, I'm going to make this super simple. It's either one of two things, right? I'm gonna do Wednesday Addams, or is it a Mormon school teacher? So this is why we have Gabrielle, my lovely assistant. I was like, and believe it or not, guess what? Her name's Gabrielle Addams. So follow her on Instagram. She would really love that. No relation to Wednesday Addams, it's Gabrielle Addams. If you're a makeup novice and you're thinking of a really good costume, and this is one of those costumes that actually just requires more clothing, minimal makeup, and a hair. Honey, you're giving a Wednesday Addams all day long. And we're gonna start here, okay? So, skin has been prepped, it's pretty easy, and we're gonna give it a little bit of color. I'm gonna use a little bit of Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation, because only the best for Wednesday Addams. I think for this look, the more ill and dead you look, probably the better it is. So this is easy if you're in a grumpy mood or you're tired or hungover. Just roll out of bed and drink some more and put some purple lip gloss on. Look, it's just really about stippling. Nothing should be perfect. We're not looking to conceal. You want to do the opposite. This is about the opposite. So throw everything you know about beauty and contour and light and dark and just throw it away, okay? Creeperella, you good? Okay, I selected Swaggy lip gloss because it's just gray enough and kind of like dead enough, but she's still got that little fashion edge where she's like, I could be cute. In a creepy kind of dead way. Like you're going on a date with her and you could either potentially have your food poisoned or electrocuted. We all have a little Wednesday Addams in all of us. I think this is the moment where we need to dip into the new palette, which is the Glamazon palette. I think we need to go with like, don't you think? It feels like wow is the way. Yeah. Feels like that to me too. Look up for me. Yeah, we want it to feel like this bitch has not slept in like months. She doesn't sleep. She doesn't need to sleep. She doesn't really eat. What this does is it kind of creates a very hollowed situation. Open your eye for me, but that's it. We're gonna lift in here, all with the same gray. We're not gonna go with a different color. And you shouldn't put this on with precision. It should not be precise. It should be stippled. It should be a little messy. It should be a little bruisey looking almost, or hungry. You know who else kind of resembles Wednesday a little bit? The Ring. Yeah, it's 'cause she's got that kind of Ring moment, right? I feel like she needs kind of like this color blush. Little on the gray side. Okay, let's get some, we need the highlighter palette. We're almost done with this look. It's pretty easy. I mean, we need Pink Crush, I think, right here from the highlighter palette. And this just really gives a feeling of like, on top of this gray foundation, it just looks like flu, like she's got the flu. Look, gray. Gray in a way, not gay in a way, gray in a way. I'm just blending it out with a little bit of foundation again, just to add to the illness factor. You have anything to say?
No.
No, you've sat in this chair quite a few times in your life. Did you ever think you'd be doing Wednesday Addams with me together? No, I didn't think so either. Everything I have is too pretty. I'm struggling with the ugliness. There she goes. There, we needed that little bit of bruise, like an old bruise. Look up for me. All right, guys, so that's a really quick tutorial, one of my fastest I've ever done, but this is a really easy thing to do if you're somebody that doesn't really have a lot of time and you actually aren't that skilled in doing really extensive makeup, this is an easy way to creep people out or to keep people in line, like small children. Come on, lean your head into me. But look really annoyed. Look annoyed.